and today I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to review the MTR new 3-minute breakfast Magic Masala Upma. So guys, this is a 3-minute breakfast range of MTR in which they have multiple products, and today we are going to do the Magic Masala Upma from their range. And it's an instant upma mix that we get here and very easy to make. So today we are going to review this product, and let's start off with the packaging of it. So it comes packaged in a small sachet right here. We have the MTR branding right on top. Then it says 3-minute breakfast, which is their series that they have. It says new 3-minute breakfast Magic Masala Upma is the name of flavor. Net quantity are the same as 60 grams, so you get 60 grams of upma, and it's a pure vegetarian product. So here it's written. It says natural goodness of grains. It's made from natural grains. Just add hot water and your upma will be ready. No added preservatives. So there are no added preservatives in this. That's it. So that's a good part of it. There are no added preservatives. Let's go on to the back of the pack. Again, we have the MTR branding right here. New 3-minute breakfast written here. Pure vegetarian symbol here. Magic Masala Upma is the name of the product. Flavorful twist to the classic upma, ready in 3 minutes with just hot water. Serves one person. Directions to use: you just need to empty the sachet into a bowl, right? Add 90 ml of hot boiling water to it. Mix it well. Cover it with a lid and let it sit there for like 3 minutes, and then your upma will be ready to eat. Now let's look at what are the ingredients of this upma. So semolina, that is rava, 65% of it is rava. There's edible vegetable fat, Intensified, made from palm oil and palm kernel oil. Dehydrated onions are there. There's salt, there's green chili, sugar, coriander, ginger, mustard, anticaking agent, silica, garlic, turmeric, mixed spices, melted extreme, acidity regulators, citric acid and tartaric acid, and flavor enhancers are there. Contains natural flavoring substances as well. Allergen advice: contains gluten, and mustard may contain tracer nuts as well. So if you have nut allergy or if you have allergy with gluten, then you are not supposed to have this. You should avoid it. Net quantity, like I told you, is 60 grams. And what do we have on the other side? We have the nutritional facts right here. So every 60 grams serving of this upma will provide you with 247 calories, 5 grams of proteins, carbs are 41 grams, added sugar is 1 gram, dietary fiber is 2.8 grams, total fat is 7 grams, of which saturated fats are 3.8 grams, MUFA is 2.5 grams, and PUFA is 0.7 grams. There's zero trans fat, zero cholesterol, 800 milligrams of sodium is present. Moving on to the price of the product. The price of the MTR 3-minute breakfast Magic Masala Upma is rupees 25. So just rupees 25 for this, and the shelf life of this is 6 months from manufacturing. So guys, let's go ahead and open the packet and let's look at what is there inside, what comes inside this pack. So let's look, how does the upma look inside. So we'll just quickly open it up, and then we'll quickly go ahead and make it. So I'll quickly open it up and show it to you all, and then we can quickly make it, and stay tuned for the taste test of it. We have opened the packet, and as soon as I open it, it has that Maggi masala noodles aroma to it. Yeah, and then there is rava and dried onions in it. Lots of salt in it. There's a lot of salt, very salty in taste. So let's go ahead and prepare it, and then we'll quickly do a taste test. So I like the aroma to it that it has. It has a Maggi masala aroma, which is really making it interesting for me right now. So let's go ahead and quickly prepare it. So guys, we have prepared the MTR 3-minute breakfast Magic Masala Upma, and it has that Maggi noodles masala aroma to it, which I like, and it looks pretty delicious and yum. So here it is, I have prepared it, and right now let's do a quick taste test of it. So I'm not closing the door. So guys, we are going to do a quick taste test right now of the MTR 3 minutes breakfast Magic Masala Upma, and here it goes. It has a perfect, very nice taste of the Magic Masala, the masala flavor. This is exactly the Maggi masala noodle taste that is there, but in a healthier way with the upma in it. So I like the taste of it, it's really good. I like the way the upma has come out. So you can see, like, the quantity is also good enough for one person, 60 grams, and it has a nice aroma, a nice taste. So overall a good product, and it was ready in like 3 minutes. I just had to add hot boiling water to it and it was ready. So that's a good part of it. And like, whenever you're in a hurry and you want to like have something for breakfast, you can easily make this upma and have it. So guys, this was my review of the MTR 3 minute breakfast Magic Masala Upma. I really liked it, and I'm definitely going to try it again because it was so nice. If you all guys want to buy it, it's available on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I'll have the link in the description below. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.